If you're wondering how to get the Coursera June sale, the process is actually very simple and can help you save a lot on Coursera Plus. I also have a link in the description that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus discount, and the savings are usually applied automatically when you sign up. Right now, eligible new subscribers can save 40% on the Coursera Plus annual plan, reducing the regular price from $399 to just $239. That works out to less than $20 per month for a full year of unlimited learning. So how do you get the deal? First, click the link in the description below. Next, sign into your existing Coursera account or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Then choose the Coursera Plus annual plan. In most cases, the promotional discount is applied automatically, so you usually don't need to enter a coupon code manually. Once you're subscribed, you'll get access to more than 10,000 courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certificates from leading companies and universities like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. Whether you're interested in AI, Python, cybersecurity, business, marketing, or data science, the annual plan can quickly become more affordable than buying courses individually. Personally, I think the annual subscription provides the best value because you can earn unlimited certificates and learn at your own pace throughout the year. Since the June sale is only available for a limited time, waiting too long could mean paying the regular annual price again. If you want to lock in the discounted price, check out the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the latest Coursera Plus offer before the sale ends.